Hey guys, my name is Bria. This is Bria's World. If you're watching me, you're gonna realize that I'm usually recording laying down in a bonnet or just chilling somewhere, but I'm never out and about and starting the video, Because a lot of my thoughts happen while I'm laying here or, golly, the sun. A lot of my thoughts happen while I'm laying here, And so I just turn the camera on and start recording. But today's video, I'm just moving. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog or y'all just seeing me for the day, but hey y'all, so today me and my sister are going to a tea room. It's called the English tea room. Y'all can see that when we switch over to the next clip, but yeah, that's what we're going today. Off all week, so he's going to the English tea room. The man came to my class and spoke, and his story was like really moving and everything like that. My sister owns her own tea business right there, and yeah, I just felt like that'd be good, She like different tea rooms and stuff like that, so I feel like that'd be a good representation. She could talk to the owner and stuff like that. I don't really have nothing to talk about other than that's where we going. Y'all see I did my hair? It's all frizzy and stuff. Hold on. Outfit check? Hold on. It's not even an outfit for real. Don't mind the straps, cause yeah. Oh, I hate my arms. I do, but this. Outfit check, boom. Gotta do my edges, but I'm trying to debate on if I'm doing my edges or not. Cause at this point, it's a wild look. So yeah, guys, I ain't got nothing to talk about for real, but
when somebody says your name in my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind.
let me talk to y'all right quick. I gotta go to the car. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm chickening out and recording because of the fact there's so many people up in there. So what y'all get is what y'all get. It's a nice place. It's really nice. It's just so much in there, and people keep looking at me crazy every single time I pick up the camera, and I'm too conscious of who may see me, like how a man is staring at me right now. So I'm scared of,
One topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. You were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
I'm sorry. You get unlimited teas. The croissant was a 6 out of 10. It wasn't great. I think she liked her turkey sandwich. We had 3 different teas, but I like the man tea. It tasted like caramel coffee toffee.
The white chocolate scones were great with the clotted cream. We did not try the lemon curd.
And they give you tea to go.
Oh, got it. Tea to go.
It's so hot. You don't understand.
On to the next.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? We're back after 8 years later. BZ gang at home hibachi.
Hey y'all, so it's like, oh, it's 7 p.m. Okay, so tomorrow, let me go ahead and talk about tomorrow real quick. Tomorrow I want to go to a pottery class. It's like warmth the earth or earth and pottery or get connected. I don't know, it's something, but it's at 9 a.m. It's at 9 a.m. and I gotta set my alarm to get up so I can go. And I think it's for like 3 hours. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the next weekend now. Hold on, you want to take a picture? Yeah. So this is the next weekend. I really hope y'all can. Okay, so pour 1 inch of oil into the pan. Insert some. Okay. So first, of course, pour your oil. While I get ready, let's talk. Okay, so what you want to talk about? I feel like every day in this vlog, y'all gonna see this. So yeah, I don't know what to talk about. Okay, well, one thing in this year that I want to know how to do, like usually I don't care about my eyebrows, as you can see, but I do want to get back. I want to, well, not get back, but get into like getting my eyebrows done, learning how to do my makeup. I don't want like the full like birthday beat type stuff. Like I want to do natural makeup. I feel like what I do is just foundation and bronzer, and that's it. So I want to learn more about that. I want to do my nails more. I'm probably not gonna keep the nails part actually, and I want to know how to do wigs, but I'm practicing how to do that, so I want to know how to do that by myself. You almost ready? Well, I think he's almost ready. I probably should have shown y'all before I put the sugar on there, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's a little more on the diet side. The mug's so stringy. But look. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of this vlog for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow when we go clay making. Okay, I just want to say that the pottery class was a 10 out of 10. However, how it was advertised to me was that basically it was like a beginner course and you just come and learn and everything like that. But when I got there, it was mostly older people, of course. But when I came in, she expected me to have everything that I was supposed to have, even though it said supplies would be given and stuff like that. So, the woman who was over it, she cut me a block of her clay, and then these older women next to me let me use their tools and stuff. And so, but yeah, so I feel like I did good for my first time. So y'all just get to see me like messing around with the clay and see my finished product. But I'm not gonna lie, I think I did good. I would definitely go back again because it's still going on. The only reason I stopped is because it's intervening with my class time. But yeah. We're doing a realistic wash day. I just rolled up out of bed, and as you can see, these braids over with. They was over with before they even started. So I'm about to just go ahead and y'all gonna see me like basically the takedown process. So yeah.
Instead of the changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Rusty's in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Rusty's in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm too. No longer what I used to be better, better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Cleaning the house today. Look at my eyes. Let's get it. Okay, so now we're going into the kitchen. Like, so I realized that my video is kind of like, I'm in my bed again. My video is kind of like everywhere. But, I basically wanted to show y'all, like, I'm ending my vlog on doing Bible study. And I'm trying to get back into, like, making sure I pray all the time. And making sure I read the Bible, make sure I journal and everything like that. Not just because, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I feel like I've become distant from God in a way. But like I pray every day, but I feel like I'm not as connected, like having that conversation with him one-on-one and stuff like that. So this is me getting back into that, and then further along videos I have making my vision board, making my prayer board, which I've done right there, and yeah, getting like dedicated toward that. So sorry for the quality if it look a little but we're gonna switch to the next clip, and I think that's gonna be the conclusion of this video. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all tune in to watch more videos, and if you made it this far, I really do appreciate y'all, like, for real. And yeah, let's get into this Bible study.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach.
It says, when God has a purpose for your life, it does not matter what the odds are. He places all the right pieces and people together to bring that purpose to fruition.
I never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that
Thank y'all for watching. If you liked my vibe, if you like me, if you like the video, if you like the tea, if you like anything like that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of my family and click that bell. Be a part of my world, be a part of my family, everything like that, you know. If you feel like you're not sure about subscribing just yet, and just keep an eye out for the videos. Maybe you'll like the next one, maybe you'll like the next one, you know. Send it, share it to your partner, share it to your family, share it to your boo, share it to your side piece, share it to whoever it is. And yeah, until next vlog.